Okay, welcome to COD. Today now I will explain to you about how to unboxing this plastic crackers. Yeah, crackers. Or this is chips. Yeah. Kerupuk, Kulit, Ikan, COD. This is chip crackers, skin of COD fish, HK top, cemilan, the bergizi tinggi, snack that have high nutrition. Well, what's up? 0813-5716-0251. Okay, like that. This is jagung bakar. Jagung is corn, bakar is pune. Taste flavor. Yeah, okay. How to open it? To open unboxing it? It's very simple. Use the scissors like this. Be careful, because this is for the seal, yeah? And bingo, like this. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this is a cod skin, cod chips. The fish cod is from Pacific Ocean. It's a long way, it's far away fish, yeah. Special fish from the Pacific Ocean. Okay, if you think this video useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.